We live basically like central California, so they make really great wine, and we just had like the best time like wine tasting and eating a ton of food, like way too much food. So I wanted to make sure that I talked about, because Eric and I have been taking Zaca for probably about a year now. We are absolutely obsessed with these. Zaca is basically a liver and hydration aid. So if you're drinking, like going wine tasting, if you are hiking, if you're doing like post workout, if you have like a huge altitude changes or you're traveling, anytime there's a chance for you to get really dehydrated, you take 2 of these, and they're like little chewable tablets, so they're easy. I keep these in my bag at all times. Basically, like I have one in my purse, and then I have them in my suitcase too to go, and they're so easy. They taste delicious, and I'll show you guys. They're just like little, almost like 2 little candies. Instead of having like a powder to your drink that like, you know, keeps you hydrated or whatever, these, you just take 2 of them. Now, if you're drinking and you're like really drunk, I recommend, and it says it right on there, to take 4 before bed, and you wake up and you're not hungover. Like, it's genius. This is what they look like. They're coming 2 in a pack, and most times you just need 2 unless you're obviously like heavily drinking, and then you can take 4. But they're berry flavored. They're almost like a sweet tart. They're really good. I just made us all try these. They're so good. They're actually like really good, right? Like they're so, like little sweet tarts. Tomorrow we'll record how we're feeling, and we're gonna be feeling great.
Not bad taste.
Yeah, no, they're really good. Morning, we woke up, my whole family woke up feeling great today after taking the Zaca. I don't feel hungover. I feel like so good. So we are on our way to Ventura, California, and we're gonna go on a little boat ride.